Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to record the script in through BlazeMeter. Okay, it's a Google Chrome add-in, and I will show you that one how we need to record. Okay, first of all, the topic is how to record the script in BlazeMeter. BlazeMeter tool. Okay, tool means it's a web add-in. Google Chrome add-in. Google Chrome add-in. Okay. The topic is how to record the script in BlazeMeter tool. Okay. First of all, you need to open to the Google Chrome browser. Okay. Once you need to add the open the Google Chrome now. You can go to the just a minute. I will open another one, another tab. Go to the settings. Okay. You can search this place web store. Okay. You can see the theme is Open Chrome web store will be showing. You can open this one. Once you need to open this one and you need to search the BlazeMeter. Okay, you can search that one, BlazeMeter. Okay, this is the BlazeMeter. Okay, Google Chrome extension, BlazeMeter continuous testing platform. This one mostly supported. One is JMeter side, Selenium, Gatling, Taurus, functional and automation and performance test tools will be supported to the BlazeMeter. Means multi-purpose will be used. Okay, means performance testing side and functional testing side and API testing and monitoring also will be used. BlazeMeter. Okay, I am already added this one. Okay, that reason it is not showing to the add-in. Okay. You are the new person, you need to search the BlazeMeter. The BlazeMeter option will become automatically add-in will become. You can click on add-in. This way will show you. Okay, that's red color B will be showing. This is the BlazeMeter. Okay, once you need to add this one through your Chrome extension, you can go to the normal. Once you need to browser will be open. Just you need to click on that is enough. Okay, once you need to click on, first of all you need to sign in this one. Okay, sign in only. It will directly will be open. I will tell you how we need to sign in. You can go to the Google, type the blazemeter.com. Yeah, this is the website. Okay, BlazeMeter to complete continuous testing platform. Okay, end-to-end testing from its performance and functional and API testing. Okay, you need to open this one. Okay, this one will taking some time. Okay, it's very simple. Just you need to go to the Blazemeter site and you need to register your name, your Gmail ID and password. You need to log in now. That is enough. Okay. Once you need to log in only, you will showing. Once you need to click on this one, you will showing. There is a login and sign up now. After will showing to the your name. Okay, my name is Gauri. You will showing Gauri. Okay, that's all. That is only important. Once you need to your name will become na, you can start the working. Okay, I will open to the there is an online sample application JPET store. Okay, everyone will using to the sample application. This one, this is the site JPET store demo. Okay, click on to the enter the store. Okay, this is the normal application. Okay, JPET store. Okay, now you need to record the script. You can click on to the that Blazemeter. First of all, you need to check what is the Blazemeter. Okay, first of all, you need to give in to the name, any one name. Okay, I will give in to the JPET store. JPET store script underscore one will give it. Okay, JPET store underscore script underscore one I will give it. This is the name. Okay, this is the start recording button. This is reset all options and you need to stop recording. This option, there is a three buttons na? Run, edit, save. Run means there is another means run. Once you need to recording will be done, you need to click on run. Automatically the test will be run. Another one, performance in JMeter. You need to run directly the same script only in JMeter side. Otherwise API functional test in JMeter. JMeter will working functional and performance both will be working na? Same only that API request will executing the through functional level in JMeter tool. After GUI functional Selenium, same test only will execute at Selenium level. Okay, after end user experience monitoring, only from monitoring test execution time you need to monitoring will become that purpose only will using the JMeter or Selenium both. That purpose will be using this around four options. First remember guys, Blazemeter, JMeter, Selenium, it's a very important tools. In performance point of view, I mean who is the person is a performance tester. The tester will using JMeter tool. Some applications anything he did not record it properly na, that situation you can use the Blazemeter. Otherwise some companies only will provided only Blazemeter only. Okay, some companies only provided JMeter only. And Selenium, how will you need to use now? Automation purpose will be used, and the same time in performance people's that UI testing purpose. Okay, UI load testing purpose will be used different browsers. Okay, this Selenium also very important, you need to learn yourself. Okay, after edit means once the test is everything is recorded, you need to click on edit now. There is some options will become, what are the steps will be recording will showing all the steps. Script will be showing, and which formats you need to convert this script, means it's a JMX or Taurus or JSON format, which format you need to need. Okay, you can select that option. Automatically the file will be downloaded. File means the script will convert it to that JMX format and will be downloaded. Okay, what are the options is there? You can see there is a JMeter script, second one is Selenium. Okay, both will become. And save means you can directly save to the through cloud. I means this Blazemeter means is a cloud na, everything cloud storage only. The cloud only will be stored directly your script. After another options, advanced option. Okay, it's a very important. This is settings. Okay, user agent means it's a current browser, means which browser I'm using na? It's a Chrome extension, Chrome only I'm using. You can see how many is there. Current browser after Aurora 0.8.0, it's a window application directed desktop. After Avanta browser MSIE, okay, Windows XP, mali Chrome 28.0 version, 64-bit and 32-bit. After almost a remaining Microsoft Edge, okay, Firefox, Chrome, remaining all the browsers. What are the browsers we'll be using na? Majorly all the browsers only will become Safari also. Okay, there is no scroll down properly, it is not showing that one. Almost IE, Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Safari, this all the browsers is there. After this is the filter pattern. Both HTTP and HTTPS is available. Okay, in JMeter also you able to show na? In HTTP test script recorder will showing filter options, filter patterns, same only. Okay, types, you need to select this one. This is a very important point. Disable the browser caching through recording time. Okay, wipe the service workers and record Ajax request. Ajax request is very important through load runner and JMeter, all things. So many problems will become. Update settings before running test. Okay, you need to check all the options. Randomize record think time. Randomized think time means he will provide it through script, constant timer, uniform random timer, that one will be provided. Okay, after request to record only top level request. Okay, parallel number of downloads, Chrome is 6. Okay, you can see the browsers, Chrome, Firefox, IE 6 and 7, Microsoft Edge. Okay, okay, after Android browsers, okay, Safari also available. Which browser you need to select specifically based on your requirement. After top level requesting the filtering, final one, GUI functional test options, export ID locators. ID locators means it's a X path. You need to example any button or any text box or anything you need to link that X path. You need to go to that means that button place, example any submit button. The submit button place you need to right click and go to the source code. Under source code you need to select the X path na? The unique ID or tag, you need to HTML tag based, you need to select it. That based only na automation team will be working. Same only you need to provide the export ID locators, you need to select and save the project or default project you need to select. Okay, these are the common options available to the Blazemeter. Okay, this is just a small one only, but Blazemeter there is a lot of story. Means subject point of view is a very lot of is there. It's a cloud level na, that reason. After I will show you that videos one by one. First one, this script you need to record, JPEG store script 1. Okay, first you need to start recording. Okay, once you need to start recording na, this is the process will become. You no need to give any steps, anything not required. Okay, first of all there is a tuna, you can see. Once hit to the URL, automatically the request will be captured. Okay, after you need to sign in. Okay, JBit store by default password is J2E. Okay, J2E is the by default password. After you need to log in. Okay, slowly recording this one, the internet slowness. Okay, you can see that already request file request will be recording. Okay, I will select this fish one, this fish option only I will select it. After what is the product type? First one I will selected angelfish. To select the first one, angelfish, add to cart. Okay, after proceed to checklist, checkout. Okay, you need to wait some time, capturing time. Okay, continue. Okay, Blazemeter only for web and cloud and mobile, that type of application only, not for desktop. You need to remember that one. Okay, you need to desktop applications also. That time you need to use the Blazemeter. There is a proxy. You need to set up the proxy. That is a different story in cloud level. I will show you after that one. Not this one. There is a separately process settings will become. Okay. Now you need to confirm. Okay. Thank you. Your orders has been submitted. Okay. Almost 11 requests will be captured after sign out. Okay. Now is all the steps is completed. Okay. This is the option. Stop. This is the pause. You need to stop the recording. You can click on that one. It's automatically stopped. Okay, it's already blinking. You can open. I'm already told running and editing all the things. First of all, this video main concept is only recording only. Okay, it's already recording successfully. What you need to do now, click on edit. You can see our script name is JPEG store script 1. Okay, after these are all the steps. Example, which name is will come pet store only, pet store octopref.com. Same on all the only same request only. There is no outside request. He did not capture anything. Okay, you can see sign into until sign off will be recording. Okay, this side everything is done. Now what you need to do, there is the options now. Exporting format, Taurus ML file or JSON file or JMX file. Export to JMeter. I need JMeter only. Okay, I will click on to the JMX. Is the converting now. Yeah, it's done. It's, you can see JMeter script1.jmx is downloaded. Okay, now I need to go to the open to the file. You can see jpeg store.jmx 1.jmx. You need to select that one. Previous one it's not required. Okay, you need to open that one. Okay, okay, first one you can check to the all the things. The base URL one, you can go to the user defined variable. Base URL one means it's a name and petstore.octopref.com. Which URL you need to provide, and you can provide it the base URL one or any one name you need to provide it. Remaining all the things you need to give it dollar open and close brackets. That name will be provided. That is enough. Automatically this place to you need to call to the directly the user defined variables. The URL will be this place you need to capture. That reason you need to use this one. Okay, you need to provide the any small names. Example, this one, catalog action HTTPS. This is sign in page. I will do one thing. JPEG store URL. అంటే JPEG store URL na, you need to give that name. And the second one is, this is sign in. Sign in. This is the login page. To JPEG store category, select category. Select category. Select product ID. Select add to cart. Select orders. Display bill. Order confirm. It's a final one is the sign off. Okay, all the options completed now. Just you need to do one thing. You need to copy, click on that group, you need to paste it. And you need to add the listener. Okay, this one also you need to add. One is the thread group level, view results tree. One is directly in test plan level. Okay, before you need to open all the things, you need to check the, it's a random timer will be added. Okay, by default timer will be added. What you need to do now, you need to remove this one. Okay, okay, once you need to remove all the things now, you will do one thing now. Okay, now you need to add it to the constant timer. You can go to the timer, you can add the constant timer. You can provide the 1000 seconds, minimum 1 second now. Copy now, you can add now. Means just everything is just for understanding only. Okay, now you need to open okay, now everything is every transaction is executed only 1 second. Okay, not more than. Okay, this is the way you need to prepare that one. A view results tree, generally I created this one. Okay, after you need to hide everything. After you can come to this one. This is the test plan. Okay, okay, so T down, run T down 3 group. Okay, first one is the JPEG store script one is a test plan, main one. After HTTP header manager. HTTP header manager means what type of format that one is, the text or XML or text or JSON. The type of format purpose only you can use to the HTTP header manager. BlazeMeter by default will provided that one. Okay, you don't worry that. You can move into the user defined variable. User defined variable base URL one, and you will provide the URL. You can provide anything. Okay, you can simply you can provide the URL, and you can provide the no name is URL you need to mention, and provide the application URL, and this URL where is available. Example, this place available now dollar open and close. You need to provide the URL. This URL will be accessed to directly user defined variables. After HTTP request default, this one is not required. The DNS cache manager na, you need to leave it. This one by default will become, but DNS cache manager use is different, but our script point of view it's not required that much level. Authorization manager also it's not required. Yeah, cookie manager it's important, you need to clear all the cookies. Cache also same only. Okay, this is the present general script. Okay, now you need to try to execute this one. Okay, this is the demo application. The Trajan will working slowly, and every request will be executed one transaction. You will execute slowly that. Yeah, application is working, but take long time this one. Oh, it's already failed this one. Okay, software caused connection. Okay. Yeah, this is the connection timeout only. It's not for the issue. That one script can run one more time. Just you can leave it now. Will take some little bit time, but is executing that one. Please be patient. Just 1 or 2 minutes only. Around 5 to 10 minutes only. Will complete this one. Yeah, it's working now. Yeah, it's completed now. Everything response code 200 now. It's a success only. Okay, everything is success only. You can go to response page now. You can see all the data. Okay, this is just for only showing to the recording only, how we need to record only. But based on the any business flow, no, means JMeter anything is not captured. Otherwise, company project team will only provided the permission only from JMeter or only BlazeMeter. That time you need to directly you can use. Okay, JMeter is not able to capture the request. You can go to the BlazeMeter. You need to use that one. The script is coming to the JMeter and you can use. Okay, it's a multi-purpose using only, but just you can idea about how you need to come that one and you need to perform the test. On the same time, JMeter will be using all the MNC companies and banks also will be using JMeter only. The reason for the cost is very heavy for load runner and remaining license tools. Okay, cost reducing purpose only will use into the JMeter. That reason more number of jobs also will be created and demanded to the JMeter. You can learn to the JMeter yourself. Okay, so much of data is there in internet or YouTube or blogs, websites, and BlazeMeter also is very important. Okay, you need to learn. BlazeMeter also is very huge data. Okay. Okay, guys. This is the way you need to record the script. Okay, BlazeMeter, and you need to convert it to JMX format and you need to use the JMeter. You need to execute the test. Okay. Yeah, that's all, guys. In BlazeMeter recording point of view, remaining next video I will mention. Okay, thank you very much.